Hi, welcome to Volcano Treehouse. My name is Jerry. I'm the caretaker of this beautiful place. My friend Sky built this about 20 some years ago, put a lot of his life into it. That'll be obvious. Most all the walls in this treehouse are made out of glass. Full kitchen area. Glasses. Coffee. Full size, medium size fridge. That's upstairs. This is our living area. Nice fireplace. Extra linens, family games, lots of videos, secret access for the kids to get up to a sleeping loft. Restroom. Shower. Linens. I'll take you upstairs. This is where the magic happens.